So we are going to do this like the theory subject, what we are going to do, what we are actually doing. We will be recording this. We will be uploading the link in the YouTube, and then that link will be provided to the students, and that they can do the practical. They can watch the practical, how it is to be done with the entire procedure, how to take the readings, how to measure, how to do, etc. Right, in chemistry and in physics. That is what is we are going to do for this the entire week. So the time first is now yeah, I will not give you so much of introduction because all of you know what is virtual lab and how we have to use that. You might have used that in SPLC or you might have used it in your actual classes also. Right? So, yeah. Okay. These are the labs which are available for doing the for the virtual labs. Okay, the practicals are done through virtual mode in all these labs. So there are so many labs which are available. One is you may be knowing the Amrita lab. One is the IIT. IIT Bombay is providing. Madras is providing. Okay, IIT Kharagpur is providing so much of practical. So mostly, if we have to do 10 experiments by this semester, 6 to 8 experiments were provided through ELAB in all these laboratories if we are searching. For physics particularly, we can find labs from the department which is physical science, or we can find it from mechanical department also. For chemistry, you are having chemical science and chemical engineering you are having, and civil engineering also you are having few labs. Okay, so you can go to that particular site. What and all is provided here, you can go there. Or if you are providing simply as the virtual lab in Google itself, you are getting n number of laboratories which are providing the virtual lab. There you have to go, you mail register with your email IDs. That is your official email IDs will be better. Okay. So register with your official email IDs, and then with that you can go to the lab and you can access it. Before that you have to see that your flash player is on, because most of the systems you might have given the flash as off. Okay, so there you set as the flash as on for that particular website or as default. Then you will be having the simulation which is running there. So go to that particular lab, find out which particle is necessary for you, and then you can go to that particular laboratory. You can go to the simulation. We have to record that with the procedure. First, you have to do this. Secondly, you have to do this. So, according to the procedure, we have to follow the lab. So, these are the labs. These are only few labs which I have given it here. There are n number of labs. Okay. So, next is we are going to give you a few um, the a few apps, that is the software which will help you to record the virtual lab, because virtual lab will be a mode where you will be having the lab which is done virtually. Right? These are the software which will help us to record that with our voice. Okay, so you can record that on screen with our voice. So it will be recorded and it will be available for us. So these are only a few things. Here you might have having idea of screencast-o-matic, which you already did, and OBS project. Okay, this two you might have already used. And NCH software is a software which I use for recording the videos. Okay, VLAB, when we were I and Vesilda ma'am underwent the VLAB classes by IIT. So in that we are asked to record one practical and we were asked to present. So when we were asked to record that video, I used NCH software and Debug Video Capture. So these two softwares they help us. Okay. Please, I don't know who is that. Please mute your audio. Okay, so these are the softwares which will help us to record the videos which are there. Okay, you can select any of the software. Some are given free and some are costing, so you need not go for the buying. There are so many videos which are video softwares which are free of cost. Okay, so now let me show how the one experiment, not one experiment, just another share. I am going to share another screen which will help us to find out what is available online for the student. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this is one of the practicals which is available for physics in the VLab Amrita. Okay, virtual lab Amrita. It is provided by Amrita Lab. So here you can go for the simulator. So click here for simulator. This is the experiment which you use the system, okay, to find out the angle of the system, the lab. So from the initial stage it starts. So first you have to start the recording from the link where you have to go for, where the students should start the practical. Okay. So you have to give where we are starting from. Right. This is the next one, which is for focusing of the telescope. So you have to record that by moving this you can focus the telescope. Now you can see how the telescope is focused. Okay, so now it will start, and now you have the focusing of the telescope is done. So this is how the recording is to be done. You have to go for this is the how you have to want turn light. Okay, so if the light is on, now you have to place the prism. Right now the slit focus is given. So by moving this, you can focus the slit. So all these instructions should be recorded to the student. This is the width. By adjusting this, we can move the width of the slit, and now you can adjust the focus of the slit, and now the prism is placed, so I cannot see this, so I have removed the prism. Now you can see I have adjusted, I am adjusting the slit width. Okay, so here you can see the image. Now if we are focusing it, we will get a clear image. Okay, so like this the instructions should be given to the student. So you have to start recording from the beginning. So first is focusing the telescope, next is by switching on the light, next is you have to adjust the slit width and the slit focus. Now place the prism. Okay. Now place the prism. After this, what you have to do is you have to adjust the telescope, change the angle. When you are getting the image here, then okay. I'm sorry, I just changed the place. Okay, now when you are getting the image at the crosswire, you have to take a reading of the vernier 1 and vernier 2, which is shown here. This is how the experiment demonstration should be done to the student. Okay. So here vernier table is a telescope. This is the second one reading of the fine angle. You are tuning the fine angle, and to repeat the experiment, you can give a reset. So when you are giving reset, the experiment will be repeated. You can start from the beginning. So this is how the demo has to be recorded. And this is one of the virtual labs which is available. Okay. There are so many virtual labs which are available under the Ministry of MHRD. Okay. So we have the labs by IIT. Okay. We have the labs by Amrita, and here you have to click and you have to give the flash on as allowed. Okay. If you are not allowing the flashes, then the simulation will not run. So allow that before you are starting to record. So there are so many labs which are available online. Okay, I have opened a few labs. This is for IIT. So If it is not on physical sciences, you can search in all the labs which are available. Okay. These are some of the softwares which we were using. Download it for free, record for free. It will be given free for 30 or 40 days. So you can record it. We can finish it up within a week. Okay. So we have to go for it, record for free, and then we can finish the work within a week. After that, it is not necessary for us now. So we need not buy for it. Go for buying it. So this is the next software which is used for the recording, screen recording. With your voice, you can record the visual image. Okay. Sorry, visual practicals which are there. This is one such practical which I have shown for physics. Now I will give the host as the Matilda ma'am, and ma'am will be showing you how the chemistry practicals can be done in one demonstration. Okay. After that, I will show how we have presented it, and then we can go for the next session. Okay. Matilda ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we make you as the host, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I have made you as the host, ma'am. Now you can share.
Hi, friends. Can you see the screen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so today I shall demonstrate to you the spectrophotometer. Here, this experiment serves us for many purposes, like we can determine the unknown concentration, we can check or we can verify the Beer-Lambert's law. We can also the measurement can be done either in terms of absorbance or transmittance, or if you want unknown concentration, the percentage also can be determined. So this spectrophotometer will be demonstrated now. Here what we have to do is, first of all, we need to choose the solution. Here we have the option to choose the solution. Okay, first of all, let me reset because 1 minute. Okay, actually, I tried some time back, so I have to reset now. Yeah. So I can choose a solution. There are so many solutions with which we can do. We have option of taking cobalt chloride, hexa aqua cobalt 2 iron, ferrozin, crystal violet, rose bengal, and so many options are there. So here we can choose any one of the solution. Here I am taking ferrozin as an example. We have three cuvettes having known concentration, unknown concentration, and blank. First of all, we'll have to calibrate the instrument. So we can take the blank solution and first of all, let me calibrate. Before that, we can also set the wavelength. By using these two buttons, we can set the wavelength. So suitable wavelength could be set, whether it is 355 nanometer, or you can increase or decrease, so that once the nanometer or wavelength is set, you can start the experiment. Here we have an option of click here to open. So if you click this, it will get open. So first of all, let me take the blank solution. So blank solution cuvette is inserted in this. Now I can close this lid, and actually this is not a suitable wavelength. We'll have to set a suitable wavelength so that the absorbance will be clearly shown. Okay. Say for example, if you want absorbance, you can click A button. Okay. This is actually transmittance. Okay. Transmittance or absorbance, anything you want, you can measure. Okay, so once the blank is tested, now we can go ahead with what to say, known concentration. So now I have to put reset, open, then take the known concentration. Known concentration I'm inserting. Okay, I'm closing. Then the absorbance will be straight away given by this display like 0.0348. Okay, now what I can do is I can change the concentration. So once again I'm resetting this and changing the concentration. I'm changing the concentration, say like 0.03. Okay, for 0.03 m. I'm taking once again the known concentration. Click here to open, insert the keyword, and once it is closed, the absorbance is shown by the display. So likewise, for each concentration, I can check, and it will be observed that we all know, like according to Beer-Lambert's law, as the concentration increases, the absorbance also will increase. Okay, so once we check for all the known concentration, now we can go ahead with unknown concentration, for which once again I'm resetting. Now I am taking the unknown concentration. Okay, so open, insert unknown concentration, close. So the unknown concentration, straight away actually the instrument is giving us the value. Otherwise, if we want to do graphically, what we can do, we can measure for different concentration of known solution, from which also we can calculate. Actually, we have option for everything. Here I'm not showing actually. If you start from the home page, we'll have everything, the theory, the principle, how to work on it, all the instructions will be given. Even we can do the graph and calculation, all the facilities that are available. Finally, we also have quiz and questions, whatever we need to ask to the students, everything is available in the home page. Okay, so this is only simulation, and using this we can give instructions for the students so that they can test with the help of simulation. So like once it is over for whatever solution I've taken, I can go through, I can choose some other solution also. So either I can go to cobalt 2 chloride or ferrocene, crystal violet, rose bengal, whatever. So we have so many options to go ahead. Okay. So this is how spectrophotometer can be done, and we can give the instructions to the students so that they can try on their own. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And this is the
Thank you, ma'am.
advantage of
Thank you.
this is the advantage of VLab also, because you can see here that there are n number of liquids, minimum 5 to 6 liquids, which we cannot do in the actual lab. Similarly, for physics also, for Young's modulus and all, you are having n number of materials, because in actual lab we will be using only the wooden scale. But here in the virtual lab, you can have a metal, a steel scale, or you can have a wooden scale, or many metals which are used, and the students may be knowing what is the difference of Young's modulus which is coming for different materials. So that also can be done with the help of this experiment, with the help of this VLab. So VLabs are more useful. That is, they can do it interestingly also. You can increase the load, you can decrease the load. Everything, whatever you are doing in the particular class, can be done with the virtual lab, but also with so many types of materials as you doing it for uniform bending or non-uniform bending or anything you can change and you can do. That is the advantage of the virtual lab, which is provided to IIT and the Amrita lab. Okay. Madela ma'am, 1 minute. Please change the host ma'am.
Actually, for chemistry, we have in different branches like physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, quantum chemistry, molecular spectroscopy. So many branches are there. So we can get it, and some of the experiments are also available in civil engineering branch, like water treatment. We can analyze hardness, dissolved oxygen, pH, turbidity. So many experiments are available. So not only in chemistry we can get into, but also we can make use of the interdisciplinary, so that we can especially environmental labs also available. Many of the water quality parameters can be tested from environmental lab. So all these we can make use of. So the home page, what we need to get into is vlab.co.in. If we get into that, everything will be listed, all the IIT will be listed, and the broad area would have been given there, like chemical science or whatever it is. We can get into that, and whatever experiments are in our syllabus, we can make demonstrations so that students will have a better understanding in the absence of lab. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. Change the host ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Ma'am, how to enable Flash
Class is by
through
right
set?
click.
How
1
to
minute.
enable Flash?
1 minute. 1 minute, ma'am. Matilda ma'am, change the
Yes,
host
ma'am.
ma'am. Matilda ma'am,
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
host கொஞ்சம் change பண்ணுங்க. அப்பதான் நான் share பண்ண முடியும்.
I closed ma'am.
இல்ல இல்ல நீங்க
I
ரைட் கிளிக்
stopped.
பண்ணி உங்க பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ்ல போயிட்டு ரைட் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு சேஞ்ச் ஹாஸ்ட் கொடுங்க. அந்த உங்க நேம் வருது பாருங்க, உங்க நேம்ல வச்சுட்டு ரைட் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க, சேஞ்ச் ஹாஸ்ட் கொடுங்க.
மோர்லையா?
ஆமா, அதுல சேஞ்ச் ஹாஸ்ட் கொடுங்க.
ரீநேம் தான் வருது.
இல்ல மேம், அந்த பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் லிஸ்ட் ரைட் சைடு வருதா?
Like enter new screen name, அதுதான் I could see.
No ma'am, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Please, you people wait. I will come. Okay. 1 minute.
Host. மோர்லையா? இல்ல இல்ல, நீங்க இதுல பேசுங்க. இல்ல என்ன எடுக்க முடியாதா? இல்ல நான் லீவ் த மீட்டிங் போயிட்டு திருப்பி வரட்டா?
நீங்க இல்ல நீங்க எண்ட் தான் போடுங்க. நீங்க
இல்ல மேம், வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம், வேற வழி இல்லையா? Okay, actually, myself and Priya ma'am will be sharing the host. Okay, so now I'm not able to transfer this to ma'am. So I'm ending this meeting as of now. We'll be meeting again within 5 minutes.
Okay, in
Please
5
join us,
minutes.
okay?
Okay, I will be sending the link. Okay, please join.